This Nativa butter flavored coconut oil has been a game changer for us. We use it for so many things. I use it for cooking like things on the stove, but then also we use it for popping popcorn, spreading on our bread. We are vegan and plant-based, so it's super important for us to have like quality ingredients that don't have dairy, and this butter flavor just makes everything taste so much like creamier and yummy. So yeah, like we highly recommend this. Super good ingredients, 100% dairy free, plant-based, non-GMO. The ingredients are just coconut oil, natural flavors, and then annatto extract for color. But yeah, as you can see, it's just no refrigeration. So it kind of sits by our popcorn machine, but we use it for other things too. We have just not found anything else that works really well for our popcorn. Yeah, as you can see, popcorn spreading, baking, sauteing. It has a high heat and a good buttery flavor. So really replaces that buttery taste, but it's vegan. So pretty awesome. Highly recommend.